Hey my doll babies, so I'm about to show you guys my little tips and tricks when it comes to plucking. So you see I did that side, but this side is hella freaking thick. Like make sure when you getting your wigs or whatever, your frontals, that your vendor at least pre-plucked the hairline. I don't know what happened, but yeah. So what I do, I wet it first, and then I get the hot comb and I smooth it out, because you want to smooth that bulkiness. You want to smooth it. It lets you see what you're doing better. And then you're going to part out a little bit of hair, just a little bit, okay? You're going to wet it again, comb it, and start plucking. You want to pluck and skip. Pluck and skip. Like slide the tweezers back. I think that makes sense. I'm pretty sure y'all know what I'm talking about by now. Anyway, you're going to pluck, skip, and comb. Pluck, skip, and comb. Right? So you're plucking, skipping while you're plucking, and then you're combing the hair out. I like to have my dome head in my lap. Everybody do things differently. Some people do it on a mannequin, on a stand. I hate doing it on a stand. It's just not comfortable for me. So whatever suits you and whatever floats your boat, makes you feel comfortable, you do that. But my dome head stays in my lap, and it gives me the ability to hold it right. So you see how that hairline is looking? So then after that, you're going to take the hair that you combed out, that you parted out, and then you're going to wet it, comb it back, and pluck. You want to get that indent out. That's what you're trying to get out. You see that indent? That square looking shit? Nah, you want to get that out. You're going to pluck it. Pluck to your desire. Don't pluck it till it's bald. You know what I'm saying? Because it's going to bald eventually. So you don't want to pluck too much out. Just want to make it look as natural as possible. Like so. Okay? Then I seen some more that I wanted to pluck. So I went back in and plucked some more. And then boom. I kind of went back in and plucked again. And you see right there where my finger's moving at? Yeah, I need to pluck that. So boom. Plucked it again. See that? Made some gappies. And boom. You see the difference?